Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am Teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is heat capacity. So this is a Unidol post UTME pass question. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you to understand. Sit down, relax, and watch. A table of aluminium is heated electrically by a 30-watt heater. If the temperature rises by 10 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes, the heat capacity is dash. So these are the options A, B, C, and D. Solution. Okay, so now let's just find heat capacity. Heat capacity has a formula. Which is giving us the heat itself over temperature. So what we use to represent the heat, we can use capital H, while the temperature we can use theta. So if and take note, heat energy is always giving us power times time. Okay, so if you look at this question, power was given. What was our power? Our power is P times time, which is PT. Okay, so what is the power in this question? Our power P was given as 30 watts. And what was our time? Our time T was given as 5 minutes. And you know in physics, we don't use minutes to solve. So we have to convert to what? Seconds. So a minute will give us how many seconds? 60 seconds. So meaning 5 minutes will give us 5 times 60, giving us 300 seconds. Okay? Substitute inside the formula. Take note, I said the heat energy is same thing as this heat here, which is power times time. Once you put inside this formula, take note again, we don't know our temperature. Our temperature was still given in the equation. Theta as 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, substitute inside CH is equal to what? H is already what? H over theta is giving us P times T over theta. Okay, so what is my power? 30. What's my time? 300 over, what's my theta now? 10. So can we cancel? Cancel. What is left? 3 with what? 300. So 3 times 300, you have 900 joule per Kelvin. And our answer there is option C. And this is how you solve such type of question. Quite easy. Always take note, heat capacity is always heat over temperature. Again, your heat is always power times time. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for still understanding. See you next time again. I still remain Teacher Patrick. Please like, share, and comment. Bye bye.